Coming up on today's Panther Beat, Mr. Cozad shows us around the Smiley campus.
And how you can help a local cheerleader in the hospital. Your Panther Beat starts now.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Quinn.
And I'm Tess, and this is your Panther Beat for Tuesday, February 24th.
Old Man Assistant Principal Cozad shows us around Smiley.
What's up, O-Town Twin? Hope y'all rizzed up your Valentine's Day last week. Let's take a tour of our fire campus. Let's get it. All right, next stop is our bussin' cafeteria where we get some delicious food. As you can see, low-kinuinely, let's slide to the IMC. All right, our next stop is our IMC. This is where all our alphas go to get the JOB done. Slay Queens. Chat. For our final stop, we're gonna do a fit check with the world's best school counseling office. Hey bro, get frame-mogged. All right, let me tell y'all what I'm wearing today. I got a blue shirt from Amazon. I got a tie from the Tie Bar, khakis from the Gap, the kicks are Cole Haan, and I got that Apple Watch.
Okay, so me, look at my asymmetrical, right? Black and white. I got the heels going on, wide legs because you know that's the trend. And I have these fly earrings, whoop, whoop, and my hair up, and I got my Apple Watch as well.
And this is Aura.
This is Aura.
All right, fam, that's all for today. If this is the content you know and love, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button below. Peace out, O-Town. 6-7.
Anyway, the cheerleaders are selling blue lemonade this week to raise money for Cambree York. Cambree is an 8th grader at Carrie L and the daughter of OTHS teacher Mrs. York.
Hey O'Fallon, the cheerleaders are going to be selling blue lemonade during lunch on Wednesday at Milburn, Thursday at Smiley, and at the basketball game on Wednesday. All proceeds will go to Cambree's GoFundMe page.
Please come out and support this great cause.
February is Random Acts of Kindness Month. Treat Yourself and Key Club are working together to organize a drive to make care packages for the homeless in our community.
You can drop off items at the entrance to Smiley or Mrs. Hubler's room 412. Milburn students can drop off items with Mrs. Turner in room 2413. The drive will run through March 20th.
Now let's pass it over to Landon with Your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Landon with Your Panther Sports. Our boys swim team won sectionals for the first time in school history. Our Panthers were led by Sam Carroll, Dane Criscio, Justin King, Oliver Williams, Victor Stafford, and Ethan Seedall. Our girls basketball team fell to Belleville East in the regional final, 32-37. Josie Christopher became the number 2 all-time scorer in O'Fallon history, with 1,742 career points. Our Lady Panthers ended their season with a 22-10 record. Our girls bowling team placed 6th at the state tournament. Shout out to Athena Martin, who finished 4th place individually. If you're interested in going out for softball this spring, be sure to register an arbiter and turn in an updated physical to the nurse's office before February 26th. Contact Coach Corbier to be added to the GroupMe to get more information. That's all for me, and now over to your Panther birthdays.
Hi, O-Town. I'm Kelly with the birthdays for Tuesday the 24th. Happy birthday for yesterday goes out to Raina Black, Logan Bodenbender, Annalie Frey, Vivian Herrick, Cameron Howard, Michael Taborski, and a special happy birthday to faculty member Mrs. Koffel. Happy birthday for today goes out to Katherine Acura, Aeneas Brex, Hadrian Brex, Madeline Fehrenbeck, and Jansen Holtz. That's all from me. Now back to the news desk.
And now for your club news. History Club is hosting a movie night tonight. The coming-of-age piece, Little Woman, will be showing in room 406 after school. Bring $5 for pizza and drinks to Mr. McGarrity's class.
OTHS Book Club has their next meeting on Wednesday, February 25th from 3 to 3:40 in room 205. All are welcome. Reach out to Mrs. Weisenfelder with questions.
First Priority Club will meet on Tuesday, February 24th in the Panther Center after school. It's Invite Week. Bring a friend and enjoy pizza and drinks. Contact Mr. Sewell for information. The MLK Club will hold its next event this Wednesday, February 25th 2026 as we continue our exploration during Black History Month.
Join as we come together to watch and discuss the 2018 film The Hate You Give, based on the novel The Same Name by Angela Thomas. We will meet Wednesday, February 25th, 2026, right after school until 5 p.m. in Miss Kaylee Hubler's classroom. Room 412. Snacks provided.
The Caseyville Public Library is holding a teen self-care night this Thursday from 5 to 7. Enjoy a relaxing spa night with your peers. RSVP in advance at caseyvillelibrary.org.
FBLA will meet this Thursday before school only. You'll celebrate Thankful Thursday and enjoy breakfast, pizza, and donuts. Advisors will be sharing lots of important information as well. Be sure to check your email. That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.